Page 55, Old Joe Clark. They're not presenting anything new here, just the rhythms are getting a little more involved. That's all right if you just count them out slowly and carefully. You can do them. They give a rhythm review up there. Yuck, I'm going to use the music. So let's talk about this. It's one line long. Clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. We do all that, I think. The right hand starts on a D here, and I trust you know the names of the notes in the music by now. Keep doing that play and say it drill if they're not comfortable to you yet. Just take your time with it. But here or here, and then the right hand is thumb on middle C here, so we're in this position. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the idea? You can do that, I hope. This rhythm really should not be causing problems. If you just count it out, just take it as it comes, it should be okay, in theory. Let me know if you're having problems, but I would hope you're not. We have a lot trickier rhythms coming, so this, make sure you understand this okay. Now, once I can play it all and the rhythm is correct, then I go back and I get rid of the hesitation, so it's a steady beat. I can go as slow as I need to, it doesn't matter, but a steady beat. Once I do that, then I'll think about the dynamics. And this, they only give one, an F at the beginning. It's forte or loud, whatever you think loud is. Not super loud, just loud. You're heavy. Let the wrist collapse a little bit here. Stay relaxed. Speed is lively. Well, there's something for you. It has to be accurate. So what is your lively? It'll be different for different people. That's my lively. With a couple more cups of coffee or a glass of wine, that would change to a different lively. You decide what your lively is. Just make sure it's accurate. Don't go more lively than accurate. Yeah. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel them. Exaggerate them if you have to. I want to feel these 1, 2, 3, 4 as you're going through it. Now, once you can play this with no hesitations, let's play it together. I'll give us 4 counts. Slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. I like to do the duet at the bottom of the page. We are going to speed it up a little closer to lively. I need you to go up an octave. So middle C is here, pretend it's here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. 1, 2, ready, go.